Hi, financial correspondent Jen Rezac here with Calvin Getz of Strategy Financial Group. Now, there are many risks to our retirement, but there is one that can be particularly hard to see. So, Calvin, let's talk about what this risk is and how do we help protect ourselves?
Sure. Well, the big risk is fees, whether it's in your investments. There's all sorts of different fees in mutual funds, 12b-1 fees, expense ratios, the advisor fee, maybe a portfolio manager fee. But some other fees that are out there are a little more hidden, such as the taxes. The taxes you might pay on Social Security can be seen or classified as a fee. Sometimes what's deducted from your Social Security for Medicare can be a fee, and that can go up depending on the amount of income that you have. So being aware of all of these different types of fees or taxes that are incorporated in retirement is what makes planning for retirement different than traditional financial planning. And Jen, that's why we put together the Retirement Roadmap book and the kit associated with it to help your viewers figure out what are those hidden fees that they're paying and then get an analysis done.
Right, it's important to identify some of those risks. Fees, certainly one of those ways where money can seep through the cracks, but there are other risks as well. That's why you have such a comprehensive kit for us.
That's right, and that's why we build out a comprehensive written retirement income plan. Whether you're nearing retirement, you've just retired, or you've been retired a long time, the tools in this kit are designed to help you plan to get to and through retirement.
Right, it's a really good place to start. Don't let hidden fees and other wealth robbers like that ruin your retirement. You can call, text, or go online to get your copy of Calvin's Retirement Roadmap Kit. Calvin, thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Jen.
And thank you for watching this week's Retirement Report.